Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about container security contests, right? Now, if you are familiar with port security contests, you'll be familiar with container security contests, because container security contest is only the security contest that is applicable to the container only, to a specific container only, but the port security contest is actually applicable to all container, right? So just like we have row and cluster row. Now, the same thing that like I mentioned, you are going to have the same element. So a container security context in Kubernetes is a set of settings that dedicate certain security control for the container. This setting affect the privilege and processes control of the container and can be used to enhance the security of your application running within the container. Now, the same thing apply here. Say run as user 1000, meaning that you do not run as a group user. So they don't run as root user, right? You run as group 3000. That's not the group that the root belong to. Then you have the FS group. The FS group means file system group. Mean the file system belong to who? The file system belong to 2000, to the group 2000, for example, right? Then you have the privilege false, no privilege in the container. Read file system only, true, meaning that the file system in the container should be read only, meaning you can't modify it. For example, somebody hacked in your container, the person will not be able to modify anything there. For example, allow privilege escalation false, meaning that you are dropping all privilege. Say the capability here, you say drop all at net bind service. So those are the elements very important for security. And on this slide here, we tell you run as user means set the UID to run the entry point of the container process. Run as group, set the GID of all processes within the container. The privilege determine if the container should run in privilege mode, giving it access to all devices on the host. Read only file system, mount the container root file system as read only. Allow privilege escalation, control whether a process can gain more privileges on its than its own parent process. Capability, add or drop kernel capability to the container. This can be used to grant a subset of privilege of the root user. So those are like I said, security contests. When we say container security contest, mean that it is only applicable to a specific container. When we say pod security contest is actually applicable to all the container in the pod. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, you can also like the video as well. If you have any question, put in the comment. See you guys on the next video. Thank you.